For home use, a vacuum sealing system should be compact, good priced, have affordable bags, and most importantly provide a perfect seal that'll last perfectly in your freezer until you decide to open it. The FoodSaver V2244 is a near-perfect vacuum sealer. Of course, it has some disadvantages, as everything does, but nothing interferes with its ability to vacuum seal. It has a problem that's present in every suction vacuum sealer. To seal foods that have moisture or liquid requires a little effort. You have to freeze the food for about an hour before you can vacuum seal it. Of course, it takes a little more time, but it is the proper way to do it, to ensure a lasting seal that won't break. Also, there's no built-in cutter for your plastic bags, but of course it is expected in the price point of the FoodSaver V2244. Also, it's recommended to allow the machine to rest 20 seconds between seals to prevent overheating, which may result in improper seals. The sealing strip provided is extra wide and it's consistent throughout the use. Very solid seals, giving you no surprises when opening the freezer. You can also seal any bag depending on your needs to keep it fresh. For example, a big bag of chips might go bad if you left it open. With the FoodSaver V2244, worry no more. You can easily seal a bag anytime in the vacuuming process. Very handy when dealing with fragile foods. The dry foods are its strong point, and it's a strong performer in that department. Also, its small size makes it very easy to put away or even leave it out on your kitchen bench. In the package of the sealer, there are also pre-cut quart-sized and gallon-sized bags, a heat seal roll of plastic material so you can cut custom bags according to your needs. A 5-year warranty is included by the manufacturer, further defining the excellence of this product. The FoodSaver V2244 is one of the best vacuum sealers in a really low price point. Become a perfect product for those that are in a budget and want to save more in the long run.